welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all feeling this nice vibe of seeing a new recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy this recipe, guys. Okay, so today I'm going to be making this delicious coleslaw salad. If you want to see how I achieved this, if you want to know how to get that nice tasty coleslaw that you get from KFC, guys, do stick and watch this recipe. I bet you you're going to enjoy it. Thank you very much. Okay, and if it's your first time of watching my video, if it's your first time of seeing this face, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Lydia Isaac. Please, if you do love this recipe, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button that says subscribe, as it's totally free. You don't have to pay for that. It's free. And when you click on that bell, you'll see a little bell. Click on the bell. That way you'll be able to know when I post new videos, when I post new recipes, when I post family vlogs, my lifestyle. You'll be able to see all of that from me. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm going to leave you guys so you can watch this recipe. Hope you do enjoy it. Thank you till I see you again. Love you guys. Yes, so guys, for this coleslaw I'm going to use half a cabbage to make my coleslaw. So I'm just going to take off the hard core of my cabbage, and I'm also going to take off the first layer of the cabbage. So I'm just going to slice my cabbage and transfer it into a bowl. So when I'm done with my cabbage, I'm just going to get my carrot. I'm using 2 carrots already washed. You have to make sure you scrape and wash your carrots. So I'm just going to grate my carrots using my grater. And when I'm done grating the carrot, I'm also going to transfer it into the bowl of the cabbage. And I'm going to be using half onion. I'm just going to slice my onion into very tiny, and I'm also going to transfer it into the bowl of cabbage and carrots. So this time I'll get another bowl. I'm using Greek yogurt, natural yogurt. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of natural Greek yogurt to make my cream, and I'm also going to be needing 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I'm going to be using some black pepper. Just grind some freshly ground pepper, black pepper. So I'm going to be adding some salt, and I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use sugar if you want, but I love using honey. I prefer the taste of honey, so you can definitely use sugar if you want. So I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. same with my apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to shake my apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar also. So I'm just going to stir it together and mix everything together to give me a very nice cream. So by the time I'm done mixing, I'm going to pour it into my bowl of cabbage, carrot, and onion. And I'm going to stir together. And guys, that's the end result of my coleslaw. I hope you do enjoy this recipe. I hope you try to make one for yourself. And if you want to enjoy this, you can leave it in your fridge for some hours before having it. Please, if you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Till I see you again on my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.